What's up, family? Welcome back to another edition of So Focused Marketing and Promotions Tech and Lifestyle Channel. I'm your host, Mr. I'm So Focused. Today, what we got the JBL by Harman Post 3 portable Bluetooth speaker. Now, this speaker is a portable, mini light show Bluetooth speaker. That's what I like to call it, because it got lights, all that flashy stuff. It's IPX7 waterproof, which means you can't submerge it in water. And you can have it by the beach, you can have it by the pool, you can have it by the shower, you can have it, pretty much by water, but you can't submerge it all the way into water. I don't know who's really doing that with their speakers anyway. I know I'm not, but if you go on that route, you're taking it to the beach, you have it by the shower, whatever, you have it out in the rain for a little bit, it's not going to damage the speaker. That's what the IPX7 pretty much means for, people who really don't know. But, most phones, most things like that are, water submersive, also not water submersive, but waterproof. But nobody's out there submersing their phone, deep into waters or going swimming with their phone. And if you are, you're taking a chance, or, you got a little protector around it. It is what it is. But that's neither here nor there. Let's get into this Post 3. Let's go around the box. Let's see what else we got. JBL by Harman, the Post 3, Bluetooth, 12-hour battery life, 360 sound, IPX7, and also it has a JBL Connect, which means that you can link up, I believe, up to 6, probably more of these speakers, or JBL speakers if it has JBL Connect also, and you can listen through. It's gonna play music pretty much from every single speaker from pretty much your phone. So, example, you have this down in your basement, you have another one in your kitchen, you have another one in your garage, you have another one in your bedroom, you have another one in the shed, in the backyard. Pretty much when you do that JBL Connect, it's going to play all of those speakers at one time, same music, throughout your, whatever you're playing it through, your tablet, your phone, your iPod, whatever. Pretty much that's a dope feature that JBL came up with. I like that. So on the side, they show you the light show. You can hook up through the JBL Connect app. You don't have to. You can just download it and use your Bluetooth. JBL Post 3. Let me see if I can zoom in on this a little bit, give you guys a better look at that. So you got the JBL Post 3. You have, there we go. 12 hours of playtime, 360 light show and sound, IPX waterproof, JBL Connect, and you got the speakerphone. So that's pretty good if you take your phone calls. You want to put this on your desk. I'm gonna turn off the lights and we're gonna see the light show in a minute. But if you want to get that ambiance setting, if you want to turn out all the lights, you're working or whatever, you don't want to have bright lights on, you put the light on this, and you have that background setting, that background mood light. You know what I'm saying? So you can check it out that way. Another picture of it, and that's all we got. We're gonna get right into this. We're gonna link it up to the phone, and we're gonna see how this thing rocks out. Alright? So you open it up, you got your JBL on the inside, people rocking out. JBL Post 3. You got your usual books, warranty information, different languages. Let's read the manual real quick as always. Alright, we read it. You have your charging brick right here with the JBL logo. You're going to plug it in right here. I'm assuming the wire is somewhere in here. Oh, there it is. So you got the JBL wire right here. You plug this in right up under here. Just like that. Plug that into the wall. Plug this into the unit. Plug that into the unit itself. And you charge it up. This is a speaker. There's nothing else in the box. Got everything out the box. So we're going to put this to the side. And we're going to check out the speaker. So here go your speaker. Got the JBL subwoofer on the top. This is a speaker all around. JBL branding. Official. 360 sound. Then on the back right here, what you got? You have your power button. You have your Bluetooth button. You have your JBL Connect, your lights, your play, your volume down and your volume up. And then here you got a flap for 3.5 millimeter jack. If you got a non-Bluetooth device like an old CD player, you want to rock out with your CDs, or you want to hook it up to like a old iPod or something like that, whatever the case is, you plug your 3.5 millimeter jack in here, and then you plug the other end into your iPod, your CD player, whatever it is, and you rock out like that. And then you got your charging cable slot right there, and then you put that back for if you're around water, so no water don't get in there. Done. Alright, so JBL, I'm going to turn out the lights. Well, let's turn it on first and let's get it paired up with the phone. So I got my phone right here, we're going to pair it up. Go to Bluetooth on your phone. Let's turn it on. Alright, we got some juice. You heard that noise. Turn the volume all the way up, ignorant levels. Let's see. Let's see how long it takes to. Oh, you gotta press the Bluetooth button first. That will help. Then it gives you that blue light to tell you that it's searching. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Scan again. We're over 10 seconds already. There it is. JBL Pulse 3. It's pairing up. Done. So now, turn it up to ignorant levels on your phone. Turn the volume up. Volume all the way up. And see the light show? Let me turn out the lights so we can see the light show. Do you see the different light combinations? So you got like a rainbow. Then you got like a orange fire type thing. And you got like the old school neon lights. It's pretty dope. Got that. Got those. Now we gonna go with that. Got that. So what I'm gonna go with this right here, just to rock out with, like that. We're gonna rock out to this real quick. Leave that right there. Let's get some music on. Turn on your headphones so you can get the full effect for this. And we're gonna rock out. Let's see how this sounds real quick. Put your headphones on and let's go. I'm not getting a good connection. Live and direct. Hold on. I don't think I got a good Bluetooth connection. Let's try this again. All videos, live and direct, no B-rolls. We shoot straight through. Maybe I had it too loud. I don't know. But let's try this again. There we go. out, play a couple of tracks until the end of the video, and we're just gonna do it like that. Got that deep, rich bass sound.
Yo, Rod, turn this shit up.
Alright, deep, rich bass sound. All the highs you can hear it, all the notes you can hear it. Dope little speaker, bring to the beach, put it in the shower, whatever you want to do. So, that's the JBL Pulse 3. 3 things in life you gotta remember, as always, end of every video. Trust God, love family, and stay focused. Until the next video, stay focused, y'all.